Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Legion Go. Charge it to at least 50% and connect to stable Wi-Fi so downloads won't fail. Once done, open Lenovo Vantage if installed. Otherwise, go to Windows Settings, right arrow Update and Security to check driver updates. You create a system restore point or enable Vantage driver backup before proceeding. This step lets you roll back if an update breaks something. Now you're ready to fetch official drivers safely and continue the process. You now download and install drivers. If Lenovo Vantage lists updates, use it. Vantage handles correct packages and versioning. If you must do it manually, download drivers only from Lenovo support for your exact Legion Go model and Windows build. Mismatch causes issues. Install drivers in logical groups: chipset, GPU, firmware, then peripherals, and reboot after each critical driver or firmware install. This staged approach reduces conflicts and lets you identify which update causes a problem. You finish by verifying installations. Open Device Manager to confirm no yellow warnings and check driver versions against Lenovo notes. Once done, run a quick stress or peripheral test to ensure everything functions. If something goes wrong, use the Restore Point or Device Manager's Roll Back driver feature immediately. Don't install more updates until resolved. And only update BIOS/UEFI when release notes explicitly fix your issue, because that step carries higher risk but can resolve deep compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.